Behind the quiet town of Neepawa, Manitoba, lies a life not often seen, one filled with cold mornings, long hours, and silent battles carried in the hearts of many migrant workers. Among them are butchers like myself, working in the meat plant known as High Life. To the outside world, it's just another job in Canada. But for those of us who left the Philippines in search of a better future, it is a daily journey of sacrifice, endurance, and silent strength. Each day begins early, sometimes before the sun has even risen. The air is crisp, often freezing, especially during the harsh Manitoba winters. We wear our gear, clock in, and start the physically demanding tasks. The job is not easy, cutting, lifting, standing for hours, but we do it because behind every piece of meat we prepare, there's a dream we're chasing for our families back home. But what people don't see are the emotions we carry beneath our uniforms. The longing to go back to the Philippines grows heavier with each passing month. We smile with our co-workers, laugh at lunchtime, and share stories of home. But when the workday ends and the silence of our rooms returns, we feel the weight of homesickness. We think of our parents, our children, our spouses, and the life we left behind. We ask ourselves, when can we go home? But the answer is never clear. Vacation seems like a faraway dream. Between saving money, visa rules, and job responsibilities, we keep putting it off. We tell ourselves, maybe next year, even if we don't know if that year will ever come. Climate here also adds to the challenge. The cold bites, the snow is thick, and the loneliness sometimes feels heavier in the winter. We miss the warm sun of the Philippines, the sound of tricycles on the street, the laughter of friends and neighbors. The sun may rise and set, but life must go on. Every cut of meat, every aching muscle, every cold morning we endure is for something greater. And even if nobody truly knows the struggle we face, only we carry the hard truth. We continue, family, for hope, for the dreams that brought us here. This is our story. This is Buhay Canada. Still, we move forward. We find joy in small things. A video call from family, a meal shared with kababayans, or a simple conversation that reminds us we are not alone in this battle. We carry both sadness and happiness in our hearts, and every day is a balancing act. Butchers we may be by job title, but we are also silent warriors, carving out a better future one day at a time.
Ayan guys, papasok na kami. Welcome to High Life. Ayan, parking area nila. Ayan. Oh. It's Friday. Ayan, may ano tayo, backup actor. Ayan si yung vlogger, ayan oh.
Kuya, ikaw ba yung vlog?
Ito yung vlogger natin oh, Don Vlogs TV oh, follow nyo. Ayan.
Vlogger.
Vlogger kasama natin oh.
Vlogger. May salamin.
Vlogger, may salamin.
Hindi pala ikaw yung vlogger, ikaw pala yung vlogger.
Welcome na to High Life. Yes, dito tayo sa loob ng High Life na lunchroom. Ayun no. So may ilang minuto pa tayo magano dito. Yan. So makikita natin dito yung mga brown hat, yung mga new worker. Ayan. Tapos yung white, regular na after 4 months mag-white na. So balik tayo mamaya para sa mga bagong update na naman.
Day 2.
Guys, dito na tayo sa may High Life. Yan. Umaga ganito. So, tambay-tambay muna. Si Bax. So, High Life, mag-start kami mamaya 6:10. 6:10, so ang pasok namin dito mga 5:50. Yun. So, yan. Pero ano mo tayo, change tayo ng safety boots kasi naka-chinelas pa tayo eh. Ayun. So, ano pa natin yun? Ano yung locker? So, ang ano dito, si RG Boy. Yung malupit namin kasama yan. Pang malupitan, nasa main break. Tayo ng balaklava. Ito. Saka. Naliligaw nga ako sa locker ko. Sabi ko parang kasama kong mga pang malalakasang butcher. Ito ang pinakalakar natin. 393. Tapos videohan natin ngayon yung pag kung anong code natin. Ayan guys, magkano tayo dito ngayon. Ayan. Yung mga Sontera boys andito. Ayan yung locker. Diyan. Mabangong locker. Yan. Ito yung dito sa High Life.
Nasa uli ang
Okay.
pagsisisi.
Yung mga kasama natin na ano dyan, shout out sa taga Trosyo daw, shout out. Oh.
Sising-sisitot sa tuwa.
Sising. Ano ba natuwa ka wag nag-high life ka o ano?
Hello. Kuya, ano naman yan?
Oh.
Sising-sisi po sa tuwa.
Sising. Yan.
Nagsisisi na po ako.
Many months later.
Ayan guys, first break. Ito yung kasama natin na kabats natin na brown hat natin. Ngayon, anong masasabi mo sa ano ba yung benefits ng pagiging white hat sa brown hat, galing brown hat?
Break time.
Break time. O anong benepisyo? May nakuha kang ano? Marami. Posisyon. Okay. Yes, mga maraming posisyon daw. Nadagdagan yung trabaho. Ay, si Kuya.
Confidence na kasi white hat na.
Confidence sa dagdagan dahil white hat na.
Confidential.
Ayan, confidential. Ayan, sige. Break time daw. Break time. Show pa. Hello vlog! Yung mga kasama natin sa carpool. So, hanapin natin dito yung ano natin, sasakyan. So, ayan siya. Hello vlog! Zoom natin, zoom! Kaya kitang kita! Shout out!
Calgary boys dyan.
Grabe ang kapal kaagad no. Buong araw na ba? Yung driver pinapaliguan mo ng snow. Grabe ang kapal kaagad. Oh no. Ayan yung pinaka-model natin. The most dangerous man. Ayan. Ay grabe pala yung ano.
Pre, pag wala nilagay, tanggalin sa'yo. Driver na lang.
Grabe naninigas na yung tenga ko.
Kaya nga ko maluwalang.
Grabe yung ano. Kapal kaagad ng ano. Ganito kami dito. Oh, si Kuya ganun din. Meron din kay Kuya. Itong mga buhay namin. Lahat na lang. Grabe yun.
Balik ka pre.
At hanggang dito na lang po guys. Salamat sa panonood. Thanks for watching. And I hope you consider subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more of our updates. Like and share. And special shout out po Mr. Rowell Todd of Shipping Department and Felix G sa aming suot-suot na t-shirt ng ating nakaraang Filipino Heritage. Maraming salamat dahil kayo ang naging dahilan na meron kami ng bisdak. Thank you so much and see you sa susunod nating video.